Good morning, guys. So, welcome back again. As you can see, it's raining a lot, and I'm on M11 riding towards Scotland. So, this is day one of our ride of our North Coast 500 road trip. It's me and my girlfriend Mayuri. She's my pillion for this trip, and we are going to have a very lovely holiday. Alright, a quick update. It's raining like crazy. Uh, One good investment that I've done for this ride is I've bought this pin lock visor for my empty helmet, and it's working magic. There's no fog. Earlier it used to fog like anything, but now there's no fog. I can see very clearly the road ahead, even in cold and rain. Hello guys, a quick update. It was so raining that I had to remove my GoPro because it doesn't have a proper water protection, and then we've taken two breaks, actually one break, and yeah, covered around exit in one way. An exit वापस इस तरफ, seriously. So far covered 180 miles, which is, I don't know, 180 into 1.6. So 250 miles to go. We had our lunch at this UK style dhaba, and you don't get dal roti over there. You only get Burger King, KFC or McDonald's. But what to do? This is what we get here. I wish we got nice butter roti, dal tadka, anda bhurji, things like that. So back on M1 again. Beautiful roads, beautiful weather. I've been listening to some Bollywood songs, some Telugu songs, some Hindi songs. I feel too sleepy. I'm playing this AC/DC songs, which keeps me awake all the time. Beautiful roads, beautiful roads. We are on A66 riding towards west. Look at the beautiful landscape on to my left. Oh my god, so nice. But I don't know, for some reason there is a lot of traffic. Welcome back, guys. The last 40 miles were awesome. They were so good. I'm actually 13 miles away from my hotel in Prestwick, which is south of Glasgow, and I'll be reaching in 20 minutes, probably. Yeah. Beautiful roads. I've completely enjoyed the landscape, and it's amazing, breathtaking, no words to say. 1.7 miles to the destination. We've reached Ayr, Prestwick. So basically we're not going to Prestwick, we're going to a place called Ayr, which is south of Prestwick, and it's like another part. And so far we've done 430 miles, close to, and how many hours? 8 hours. It's not bad. 8 hours, 430, which is like 700 kilometers. Not bad. Electric Brae. This is where we are going actually. Yep. We are heading towards a place called Electric Brae. Brae. B-R-A-E. बहुत सुंदर है यार जगह. Slow down. Slow down. I think. So this is the place.
This is a world famous electric Brae. Right, you see that up there?
Yeah.
And you see the woods down there?
Yeah. Yeah.
They are higher than that.
Really?
Yes. It's a kind of optical illusion with the way the landscape's going behind it. So if you run a push bike, you would start to roll up the hill,
Okay.
you know.
That's interesting.
There's a wee story on it there.
Yeah. So that's the story, guys. If you see onto my right, it's actually at a low altitude than the point on the left. Cool.
When you turn the corner,
Uh-huh.
coming downhill,
Yeah, yeah.
you aren't, you're going uphill. It's bizarre.
Interesting. Look at our motorcycles. Lovely Harley Davidson. Owned by Trump.
Owned by Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rich people.
Very rich people.
Yeah, look at how big the estate is.
It's incredible, isn't it? Yeah. The houses look fantastic, you know.
Yes.
There are houses at the back as well, right? Same.
Yeah.
I think the houses are part of the whole
I
complex.
think so because they look alike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just thought I'd show you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Point of interest.
Hey. देखिए रुक गया. Okay. Okay. Clear? So this golf course is owned by Donald Trump. And it's huge. It's waiting for us. It's just day 2 and we haven't even entered the north coast up above Glasgow, and it looks really beautiful. Imagine day 3, day 4 when we go more into the wilderness up north. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what's here. Normally I go, there's a little cafe on the A75.
Okay.
So, we are in Newton Stewart, a small little town, and a beautiful lake running past us. Look at that. Oh, and that's Alistair and Satya, by the way. I'm gonna head towards them. There they are, chit-chatting about their old Qatar days. Boring. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye.
So we reached a place called Offspree Bird Viewing. Beautiful, beautiful roads. Look at the wind turbines over there. Oh my god. So this is Roundhouse Osprey Launch, and Osprey is the name of a bird. I don't know whether you can see it or not see it. मैं आगे जाता हूँ अंकल. Ouch. Look at the wind turbines over there. Yeah, we definitely didn't come through this road. Yeah, thanks Alistair for taking us through these beautiful roads and showing us some new locations. That's the advantage of being guided by local motorcyclists. Oh no. Wow, look at those wind turbines. They're massive. It's called South Ayrshire. South Ayrshire. Wow. Nice roads, nice roads.